Hello students, welcome to our class. Hope you are all fit and fine. Today's quotation: imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited, imagination encircles the world. Through imagination only, you can start thinking and it helps you to achieve your goal. So today from this video we are going to start our second unit. In these 3 lessons are there. 2 are lessons, 1 is poem. Reading A. C.V. Raman, The Pride of India. Poem, Its Change. Susruta, an ancient plastic surgeon. Susruta, an ancient plastic surgeon. These 3 lessons we are going to learn from our textbook, children. And right hand side, if you observe, they have given topics related to grammar. These are there in your grammar and more. Verbs, finite and infinite, participles, gerunds, subject-verb agreement, articles, prepositions, writing skills bio-sketch and formal letters. Here for some of the topics they have mentioned page numbers. These are there in your grammar and more. Writing skills, specimen means examples are there in your material. Follow the guidelines carefully. Do the assigned work in your notebook. It helps you to practice well. So let us start our today's session with C.V. Raman, The Pride of India. Really we should feel proud as he is an Indian. C.V. Raman, The Pride of India. Look at the pictures and answer the questions that follow. Here they have given the pictures of some people. Who are they? Do you know them? At least 2 or 3 people. So here they have given totally 6 pictures. In that, how many scientists or Indians? Do you know that? Yes, first 3 pictures or first 3 scientists or Indians and the next 3 are foreigners. Who is the first one? APJ Abdul Kalam. Second one, C.V. Raman. Third one, Ramanujan. Fourth one, Albert Einstein. Fifth one, Isaac Newton. Sixth one, Sir Alexander Fleming. I think you know very well than me related to scientists and what are their discoveries also. As you come across these all in your science. You have good acquaintance with their achievements and experiments. What did they do? Let us go through the questions to answer them. Can you name these scientists? I have already told the answer for the first question. Tell your class what you know about them. You have to do little bit work to answer the question. Are scientists special people? How? Do you want to be a scientist? Why? How many of them received the Nobel Prize? Who was the first Indian scientist that received the Nobel Prize? Talk about him or her and his or her field of science. See children, I have told the names of the pictures, names of the scientists. What did they give in your textbook? Here what should you observe is, they have given some of the questions under the pictures or below the pictures. Try to answer the questions in at least 8 to 9 lines in your notebook. Understood? Go through the question carefully, gather the information and then you start writing the answers to the given questions, which helps you to enhance your vocabulary. Let us go through the lesson now. Reading A. Read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. Who is the scientist here? C.V. Raman. We have to feel proud he is our Indian. So let us go into the text. On the busy Bhau Bazar street in Calcutta, there was an old building. What is the name of the street? Bhau Bazar Street. Where is it located? In Calcutta. So, in Bhau Bazar Street in Calcutta, there was an old building. It was the headquarters of the Indian Association for Cultivation of Science. Headquarters means what can you understand by that word? So, it is a main branch of what? Indian Association for Cultivation of Science. Means they do research and experiments there. In December, on a fine evening in 1927, there was much excitement in one of its laboratories. So what happened in the month of December? On a fine evening means pleasant evening, good evening. The atmosphere at that time is very pleasant. And when did it occur? In 1927. There was much excitement in one of its laboratories means something was going to happen. All are filled with excitement. What is going to happen? So what happened at that time? Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman was showing a visitor some of his instruments when a young man, K.S. Krishnan, rushed in and announced, "Professor Compton has won the Nobel Prize." So, what happened here? Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman was showing a visitor. So, who is Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman? None other than C.V. Raman. So, here they have given full name of C.V. Raman. Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. So, what was he doing? He was showing a visitor some of his instruments, means related to experiments. The tools, what do we use for doing experiments? He was showing those all instruments to a visitor who has visited Indian Association for Cultivation of Science headquarters, which is located in Bhau Bazar Street in Calcutta. And what kind of building was it? It was an old building. So here, what can you understand here? Old building. Building comes under noun and old comes under adjective. Adjective describes about the noun. Here, what is it describing? It is describing about building. How? What kind of building is it? Old building. So let us go through the text. So he was showing visitor some of his instruments when a young man. So who has rushed in? Rushed means came very fast. K.S. Krishnan. And what did he announce? He spoke very loudly and he has announced Professor Compton has won the Nobel Prize. So who has won the Nobel Prize? Professor Compton. Raman was equally delighted. What is the meaning of the word delighted? Felt happy. Who felt happy here? Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman was equally delighted. You have to highlight this word. You have to underline this word in your textbook. What's the reason? Why should we underline that word? Can you guess? Yes, your guess is correct, because here actually Compton has won the Nobel Prize. As if C.V. Raman has won the Nobel Prize, he was started feeling happy. Excellent news, he said. Who said? C.V. Raman said. Wow, very nice. Very good to hear. Delighted to hear. Smiling at the visitor, and then he was lost in thought. So C.V. Raman started smiling by looking at the visitor, the people who were there in that lab, and then he was lost in thought. What's the meaning of the word lost in thought? They have given in your glossary also, children, at the end of the lesson. Giving all your attention to something so that you do not notice what is happening around you. Lost in thought means deeply thinking or seriously thinking by ignoring the surroundings, what are they. But look here, Krishnan. He started speaking. Who started? C.V. Raman. He said, turning to the young man, who is referred as he here, C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman looked at the Krishnan and then he started speaking. If this Compton effect is true of X-rays, it must be true of light too. So, Compton effect. Who has invented this Compton effect? Professor Compton. Okay, so he has done Compton effect, or he has invented Compton effect. It is related to X-rays. It must be true of light too. So what is this light? C.V. Raman was doing his experiments related to light. So he started thinking and started conversing about his views or opinions. What did he have in his heart or brain? So Krishnan, if Compton effect is true of X-rays, it must be true. It must be true of light too. Means the invention or the experiments what am I doing, those also might be true, no? Not might be, must be true, will be true. So what is meant by Compton effect? As far I think or I believe that you might have gone through this Compton effect in your science also. But even though here I want to give you a brief definition related to Compton effect. When X-rays of particular wavelength falls on the surface of a light element, the wavelength of scattered rays is increased frequency or energy is decreased. Okay children, can you define who is a scientist? I think you know very well. What does he do? First he starts doing experiments, and then he tries to learn or gain knowledge from those experiments, which helps us or which helps the ordinary people a lot. And even the inventions of scientists inspire other scientists also to make good inventions which will be useful for the people. Scientist, whose activities make use of the scientific method to answer questions regarding the measurable universe. A scientist may be involved in original research or make use of the results of the research of others. What are they telling? Some of the scientists invent. Do you know what is the difference between invention and discovery? Invention means it is created, means it is not there on the earth, not existing, it was created. So discovery means it was already there on the earth but not recognized by anyone. So that's why they will tell Columbus discovered America, not Columbus invented America. A famous sentence known to everyone. Understood? So here related to scientists we will tell inventions. Okay, already which is there, it was not known or familiar to anyone. Afterwards, if we come across those are known as discoveries. Understood? I think you might have got an idea what's the difference between invention and discovery. So here what are they doing? Here Professor Compton has done an invention, even C.V. Raman also. Okay, see here. A few years later, A.H. Compton had shown that the nature of X-rays changes when passed through matter. The change was dependent on the kind of matter. This effect was called the Compton effect. So here they have given a description related to Compton effect, which was invented by A.H. Compton. So his experiment has come true, and definitely he might be very happy regarding that. Could light also change its nature when passed through a transparent medium? Then he started thinking. Who started thinking? C.V. Raman started thinking. So light also can change its nature, means can change its way of showing when passed through a transparent medium. What's meant by transparent? Allowing you to see through it. This word meaning is also there in your glossary, children. So even on the kind of matter, here for related to matter also I am giving you a very brief definition, children. Anyhow, you know very well as you come across this in your science. To be frank, this lesson is related to your science only. But here what did they give? Here they have given information related to C.V. Raman and how did he done his experiments. Those only they have given here. Matter is the term for any kind of material. Anything that has mass and takes up space is matter. Matter comes in three physical states: solid, liquid and gas. Matter exists in different physical forms under different conditions. Water, for example, exists as ice, solid water. as liquid water, as steam. Could light also change its nature when passed through a transparent medium? That was the question that Raman asked himself. So he started doing intrapersonal communication, started speaking with himself. For 5 years, he had been doing research in optics. Optics means, what is meant by optics, children? Do you know the meaning of the word optics? The science of light. No sophisticated equipment was available in his laboratory. Sophisticated, highly developed, very expensive. Expensive means costly equipment or developed equipment was not available in his laboratory for doing experiments. Even though he did not feel sad or he was not in desperation, means hopelessness. Raman was confident that he could find the answer with some modifications in his equipment. So still Raman was confident, okay, I can find the answer. I can make my invention successful with some modifications, means changes. So with some modifications means changes in his equipment. 4 months later, on March 16, 1928, Raman announced his discovery of new radiation, describing the behavior of a beam of light passing through a liquid chemical. So finally, he was successful in doing his experiment. He felt very happy and he announced officially to an assembly of scientists at Bangalore, now called Bengaluru. The world hailed the discovery as the Raman effect. What's the meaning of the word hailed, children? Appreciated. Remarks. For scientific research in this country, it was a red letter day. What's the meaning of the word red letter day? It's an idiom. Means these words or this can be used as a, with the help of this you can write own sentences also. Own sentences. Red letter day means an important day. It was a very important day for scientific research in this country, means our India. His discovery caught the attention of the world. Everyone was very keenly observing. So everyone was very happy. It's a very good experiment which helps other scientists also to continue their experiments. With equipment worth hardly 200 rupees and limited facilities. So, what's the cost of the equipment used for his experiment? Hardly 200 rupees means it is not more than 200 rupees. Raman was able to make a discovery. So, he was able to make his discovery, which won him the Nobel Prize in Physics. So, in which subject he has done his discovery? In physics. And he was also very happy regarding that. He also won the Nobel Prize. Here you can see one of the pictures. What did they give from the laboratory? He was showing some experiments to the visitors. Raman was born on November 7th, 1888 at Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu. So here they have given birth details and family details of Chandrasekhar Venkataraman. He was born on November 7th, 1888 at Tiruchirappalli. Name of the station Tiruchirappalli, in which state? In Tamil Nadu. His father was a college physics teacher. Whose father? C.V. Raman's father was a physics teacher. He was a brilliant student right from the start. So C.V. Raman was a very brilliant, intelligent and smart student right from the starting. When Raman passed his matriculation, means 10th class children, his parents were keen to send him abroad for higher studies. Abroad means foreign. Their parents had shown more interest to send him. But did he go or not? Why? What's the reason? But on medical grounds, a British surgeon advised him but on medical grounds, a British surgeon advised them against it. So, but he unfortunately, due to medical grounds, means due to C.V. Raman's health conditions, a British surgeon advised him, better you stay here only instead of going abroad. So, he has advised them like that. So Raman stayed in the country to do the MA course at Presidency College in Madras, now called Chennai. So he did not go to abroad, and then what did he do? He stayed in India only and he did his MA course. Where did he do? Presidency College in Madras, now called Chennai. Science had already made an impression on him and he began to write research papers for science journals. Even though he had joined MA course, he did not leave the impression what did he have towards science. And he began to write research papers related to which subject, children? Related to science, for science journals. What's the meaning of the word journal? Periodical magazines, means monthly ones or weekly ones, like that it comes, children. A newspaper or magazine that deals with a particular subject or professional activity. When he was only 19, means at the age of 19, he became a member of the Indian Association for Cultivation of Science. So at very early age only he became the member of Indian Association for Cultivation of Science. Meanwhile, what happened? Respecting his parents' wishes, he took up an administrative job in the finance ministry in Calcutta. So by respecting his parents' words or desires, aspirations, what do they have on him or towards him? So he started working. He also became an employee in administrative side in finance ministry in Calcutta. His interest in science, however, did not flag. What's the meaning of the word did not flag? Did not become less or decline. See children, these all words meanings there in your glossary, even though I am repeating once again. Follow carefully, use them at the time of communication. He used to spend his hours after office in the lab of the association working throughout the night. So morning session or duty at the time of working hours, he used to do his job. After completion of those working hours, what he used to do? He used to work in the lab. Understood? So he used to do his experiments. In his youth, Raman was mainly interested in acoustics. What's the meaning of the word acoustics, children? Do you know? Acoustics means related to sound, the science of sound. He studied how stringed instruments like the violin and sitar could produce harmonious music. How are they able to produce such a kind of melodious music? What's the reason in that? He used it to do experiments in that aspect. He was elected to the Royal Society of London in 1924 and the British government made him a Knight of the British Empire in 1929. So it's a very prestigious honor, children. What happened? He was elected to the Royal Society of London and the British government made him a Knight. Knight means a man of high social rank or a person with a title. This is also there in your glossary. It was a high honor for any great scientist. Very respectable matter, children. So they deserve it. Even C.V. Raman also deserve it. His advice to young scientists was to look at the world around them and not to confine themselves to their laboratories. So he used to advise the scientists also, young scientists. What he used to advise, okay, experiments will come true or will be successful by observing the nature, not by limiting yourselves to the laboratories only. So observe the world, what's going on in that. How are the surroundings there? Observe the nature. The essence of science, he said, the importance of science is independent thinking and hard work, not equipment. Don't think, do we have expensive or costly equipment or instruments with us for doing the research? It is not important. Are you interested in doing independent thinking? Are you able to think in a better manner? Hard work, only these only matters for making your experiment successful. C.V. Raman was the first Indian scholar who studied wholly, completely in India and received the Nobel Prize. He was the first Asian and the first non-white to win such a great award in science. What a great task, children. We should be motivated by him, through him, and we should also achieve something in our life. He passed away in 1970 on November 21, but his memories are with us. Means the deeds, what did he do, are with us only. They are still alive. February 28th, the day on which he discovered the Raman effect, is celebrated as National Science Day to commemorate his remarkable achievement in science. What's the meaning of the word commemorate, children? Recall and show respect for someone or something. So here if you observe February 28th, on which day he discovered the Raman effect, that day was celebrated as National Science Day. I think how far you have remembered, children. Even in our school also, every year we celebrate National Science Day on February 28th. Even this year also we have celebrated. Adapted from Scientists of India, published by Children's Book Trust, New Delhi. What's the meaning of the word adapt? Make something suitable for a new use or purpose. Modify. So, by making little changes. This is the glossary, children. Meanings of the hard words. I have told the meanings of these words at the time of explaining the lesson. Here they have given. Go through those, remember them, then you can use them at the time of making communication. How well did I read? Fill in the boxes using yes or some word or no. Go through the lesson carefully and these should be answered by you. Answer the following questions. Number of questions 10, children. First listen the lesson and then go through the material. Read all the questions and then at least write 2 questions a day in your notebook. It helps you for written practice as well as to enhance your vocabulary. Say whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the false statements. If you understand the lesson, you can answer these exercises very easily. Even here, vocabulary. The following sentences are from your lesson. Read them carefully and tick mark the correct meaning of the underlined word. So these also you have to go through the lesson, understand and then start answering the vocabulary. Read the following sentence, children. Here they have given verbs and you have to change them into nouns. Parts of speech of the given words has to be changed. Try doing second exercise also. And in the next video, we'll start learning textual exercises. Okay. Go through the video until the end very carefully. Try to understand the lesson. Read the question answers and do exercise 2, vocabulary exercise 1 without fail. Answers will be announced in the next video. Even second Roman also we can learn. You can do what I feel, because regarding these we have learned in your 6th class also. Stay home, stay safe, follow the precautions to avoid corona.